A copper ball 2 centimeter in radius is heated in a furnace to 327 degrees Celsius. Its emissivity is nothing but 0.3. At what rate does it radiate energy? So a copper ball, we can take it as its radius is given as nothing but 2 centimeter. So which we can take it as 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. And it's heated in a furnace to a temperature of, the temperature is given as nothing but 327. So while adding 273, we can convert it into Kelvin scale. So this will be equal to nothing but 600 Kelvin. If emissivity, so the value of E is given as nothing but 0.3, and Rm is to find out the value of its energy or the power radiated. So you can write the value of power is equal to E sigma A temperature of object raised to 4. So it is the value of E is given as nothing but 0.3. The value of sigma, we know that nothing but 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8. And the value of area of a sphere, we can take it as nothing but 4 pi into r square. So which is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, the raised to 2 into temperature of object is nothing but 600 Kelvin. So 600 raised to 4. So you can write this will be 0.3 into 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 4 into 3.14 into 2 raised to 2, which is 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 raised to 2, 10 raised to minus 4 into the value of 6 raised to 4, which is 1296 into 100 raised to 4 or 10 raised to 2 raised to 4, that is 10 raised to 8. So you can cancel this 10 raised to 8 and this 10 raised to 8, and if you are further calculating it, you'll get around 11.07 watts.